So here's an interesting video. I was with a friend over at his office getting ready to head out to lunch, and you'll see this black truck comes in. That's a mutual friend who we are waiting for to head out to lunch. He comes in and pulls in behind my friend's Avalanche down there. And not long after, another vehicle pulls in. This vehicle pulls in and does basically a U-turn, but then stops kind of in the middle of that little roundabout there. And it was very odd, and it looked very suspicious to our friend in the black truck. He hadn't even shut his truck off yet when the other vehicle, which is a gold Yukon, pulls in. Here you'll see it. And watch him pull this kind of hesitant U-turn here. But again, he stops right in the middle of the street. So he stops his vehicle. Our friend in the black truck is just sitting there. His truck is still running. And he sees this guy get out. Now, when the guy gets out and comes and walks behind his own vehicle, he seems to gesture to our other friend in the black truck, like kind of acknowledging that he's there, like maybe he didn't realize somebody was in the vehicle. And he makes his way over to our buddy's truck and seems to pull on the door handle or something. Well, that friend's son came out, and he's wondering why this guy is messing around with his dad's truck. So he comes out to ask what's going on. The other guy identified himself as Metro Police. And after noticing the Fraternal Order of Police license plate on my buddy's truck, the guy takes off. So my friend comes into the office and gets me and his dad and says, "There's a guy out here messing with your truck." So the guy takes off right here as we start coming out of the building. We didn't even see him drive away, but we came out and our buddy got out of his black truck and we start discussing this guy that had just pulled up and just how strange it was. Here's the kicker. My buddy is a retired Metropolitan Nashville Police homicide detective. And this guy basically tried to get into an ex-cop's truck. So we're kind of talking about it, and at this point we didn't know that he didn't make entry into the vehicle because, you know, we weren't out there at the moment that it happened. But my buddy goes over to check inside his truck, make sure everything's good. Turns out the guy comes back around. If you watch the screen up there on the right, you're going to see him come back into view. He like made a big circle, like maybe he didn't know where he's going. When he turned left to get out, he came all the way back around. So, of course, my buddy confronts him, and the guy hesitantly pulled over. Now, I'm over there behind the Avalanche with my buddy's son and our other friend, and we're kind of watching this. We can't hear exactly what's being said, but my friend basically said, "What you doing? What's going on over here?" And he said that he was a Metropolitan Police officer and that there was an active burglary in progress. And my buddy basically called him on his BS and says, "You're not Metro." And he says, "Yes, I am." He said, "No, I'm Metro." He actually pulls out his ID. He's got his retired Metro ID, and he still has a badge. So anyway, this guy gets a little bit squirrely and nervous, obviously. You see him backing up, and he's going to pull forward and back up, and he just wants to get the heck out of there. The guy is still maintaining that he's Metro, but he clearly isn't. His vehicle has a Metro sticker on the back of it. He's got Fraternal Order of Police plate on the front. He has a blue line on his license plate in the back and a couple other police stickers on the back of his vehicle. This guy is possibly a wannabe cop. He put his finger up to his ear as if he has a headset in and said he had to take off. In the process, you see there, my buddy had to move to get out of the way. I got some cell phone video. My buddy's son also got some cell phone video. I'll share that with you right now. Walk in behind him and get a picture.
I got the plate.
Look at him, he really wants to get out.
Did he steal something, y'all?
it.